Wow, it has been a while. I'm here and I don't know where I'm gonna start when it comes to this video because I know you guys are upset. I know. It's not like I wanted to, but you know. Anyway, so let's kind of give you guys a gist of what's been happening. First off, we gotta correct these lashes because you're not gonna catch me slipping. This is gonna seem, I don't know. Okay, so here. I have been off YouTube because I literally needed a break to just, I don't know, I guess deal with life. Most of my subscribers know that I am a mother. And I dealt with a lot having my son, and finally I can say that I can breathe for a little bit, which is great. Some of you guys know that I was going through some things. Some terrible things were put on my channel and it just made me go ghost for a little bit on YouTube. I just had to figure out things for myself and things for the best interest and safety of me and my child. So that's why I've been off of YouTube. I don't like doing this to you guys. I know you guys are fed up with it. I have taken a well-needed mental break that I needed to take for the betterment of myself and also my child. And you know, at the end of the day, my son and I come first. So that's what I needed to do. Just make sure that me and my home and everything was fine before I went on and started doing YouTube videos again. Now, like, I don't mind doing YouTube videos. I love them. I missed you guys so much. You have no idea. I do still post on Instagram because it's just easier to post on Instagram versus posting on YouTube all the time. And I'm so sorry that I've been away or absent for a while and inconsistent. I'm gonna do better not only for you guys, for me, but for my son, and I just want him to know that mommy can do this regardless. I am going to be posting more videos. I'm going to be posting more hair videos. Make sure you follow me on Instagram as well because I do post there almost every day. I don't know, this is kind of all over the place because I did not plan this video. My hard drive just came in and all the equipment for my YouTube channel just came in. So I was like, okay, well, let me talk to them, and this is where we are. I know there are some people that have been with me for years now, and to those I'm like really sorry because I don't want to be someone who's inconsistent. You guys follow my channel for a reason, and I feel like I haven't been fair to you guys, but honestly I had to think of my mental health and my the overall well-being of me and my son. I'm in a much better space, and I don't know, I don't need a sob story. You guys, some of you guys know what had happened, and I don't really feel the need to make this channel a pity party channel or anything like that. Like, I want us to get back to business, back to good times, back to makeup, back to giveaways, which I hit 11,000 subscribers, so I'm doing a giveaway, and that's just me saying thank you. This is the Taylor tribe. We do whatever we want on this channel, and I want to go back into that. It was hard to do videos when you're not in like the happiest moment in your life, and some of you guys could see that because I just wasn't myself with the jokes and the humor, like just having fun. Sorry, I'm like checking on my son as well, but I just wasn't myself. And I did not want to keep filming videos if I'm not myself. Like, I wanted to film videos with how I used to be and how you guys saw me. And I didn't want to fake anything because you guys know that I've been real since day one. So I definitely did not want to fake my attitude or anything for you guys. I just wanted to get myself together and then come back. And I feel like it's needed for everyone. We've had a rough year. I had my son during COVID, and what was supposed to be the happiest moment of my life, delivering my son and having my son, it was just a very challenging time for me, but God has given me so many blessings, and I just am in just a better space now. With that being said, we are back, and I just did not want to, I'm not going to talk to you guys about, oh my gosh, something happened to me and this happened to me and that happened. With all due respect, it's no one's business. In a way, I'm not saying I won't tell you everything, because sis, some of y'all know what happened. I just don't want to shed any more light to that negative area in my life. So I need lotion. The lace front laid, the makeup is done, the background kind of cute, and then my hands are ashy. Hey, but I am back, you guys. This is gonna be a quick video that I'm just gonna edit and just post. I'm not even gonna think about it. I'm just gonna post it. We're back. We're better. We're beautiful. We're happy. We're in a much better space, and we're trying to lose weight. But you know, that'll come some other time. I just can't wait to see what this channel is gonna bring. I feel like YouTube was dead for.
Girl, what are you doing?
I'm filming a YouTube video.
I'm sorry.
I feel like YouTube was dead for a little bit, but I am back to revive it. I'm here, and we're just gonna have fun. And I know that you and I can do it together. But don't forget, there is a giveaway that I am having for hitting 11,000 subscribers. It's $500 worth of YSL products to one lucky subscriber. All you have to do is share my YouTube page, follow me on Instagram, which I'll put everything down here and down below. Subscribe to my YouTube page or YouTube channel, follow me on Instagram, and share one of my pictures on your Instagram and tag me. I will list all of the rules down below for you guys. I love you so much. And until next time, which is really soon because we're filming videos, because I just bought all this equipment. It's not gonna go to waste. And until next time, I will talk to you beauties later. Bye.